I just want to make a couple of points about using a protractor. I'm just going to bring this up close to show you, and I want you to notice what's going on in the middle of it there. I've tried to reproduce it here on the board, and what we've actually got is a semicircle and two lines crossing, and I've circled that because that's really important to us. Because when we're actually measuring an angle, so whether it's that type of angle or that type of angle, what we have to make sure is that where the two lines cross, that they fit exactly on the point of our angle. And this line or that line then sits on the incoming line of the angle that we're measuring. Okay? Oops, take that off the board. Same thing there, sits on the incoming line, and then obviously the outgoing line is where we use, where we look to our protractor to give us the angle. One thing to remember, so for instance, if I'm coming in using this line, I always want to start at 0, so I'm going to use the inside scale. And the great rule about using a protractor is if I use the inside scale to start with, I use the inside scale to finish with. And here, if I start, for instance, and I'm measuring this type of a line, this type of angle, the incoming line, I'm going to use the outside scale because that starts at 0. But remember, if I'm using the outside to start with, I must use the outside to finish with. Okay,